Hi, I'm Jim Holmes. I am an executive consultant. I'm an independent consultant with Guidepost Systems, my own company. This may sound familiar to you. Are you having automated testing suites? Not just end-to-end testing or integration or unit test suites, but kind of the whole thing, where you are finding that they are taking a whole lot of time to maintain. You're spending what seems like an inordinate amount of time fixing up your suites when things change in the system, when you have failures. Maybe the suites are brittle. Maybe it takes you a long time to write your automated tests, regardless of which ones they are. This is a common thing. So, my talk, Automated Testing Beyond the Basics, will hopefully help you out. It is meant to help get you an understanding of new ways to look at understanding code coverage and how you might have overlapping coverage among many different tests and how to sort of rethink approaching that. It's meant to give you a takeaway of understanding how you can write custom testing frameworks that leverage your system's own functionality through APIs or whatever to let you build more flexible, more powerful automated test suites that are also faster. And we'll also talk a bit about slow test suites. So, it's a great talk. I enjoy giving it. I've had really good feedback on it over the years. I hope you'll join me.